The landscape may have changed,
but the fight hasn't.
As 2019 became 2020, multiple events and movements have coalesced into a transformative moment in our pursuit of education justice and building a human rights framework for public education.
Communities across the country are demanding the defunding of police and an investment in equitable education and community-controlled systems of care.
all while navigating a global health pandemic. We have the opportunity for real transformational change in our education system and beyond.
2020 marks our 11th National Week of Action Against School Pushout.
From October 3rd through October 11th, DSC members across the nation will host events, virtual and in-person rallies, teach-ins, and more to amplify our call for education justice.
In this period, characterized by ongoing state-sponsored racialized terror, our theme for this year is Counselors Not Cops, Equity for Youth Now.
We demand moving away from punitive, cold, criminalizing policies towards emotionally safe, restorative, and culturally responsive school communities.
As a multiracial national coalition of parents, students, educators, organizers, and advocates, the Dignity in Schools campaign pursues education justice within a human rights framework.
For our members, our work is inseparable from the pursuit of social justice, political empowerment, and racial equity.
To us, education is not merely for the attainment of jobs or wealth. We believe the true purpose of education is to support young people to be responsible stewards of power and contributors to society for our liberation.
To help bring that belief into our everyday lives, we invite you to join us in amplifying our national demands.
Number 1, remove all police from schools and shift funds to counselors, peace builders, restorative justice, and positive discipline.
2, eliminate policies and practices contributing to surveillance, militarization, and criminalization of in-person and remote school environments.
Number 3, stop the arrest, in-person and remote school removal of push-out of Black students, other students of color, LGBTQI youth, homeless students, and students with disabilities.
Demand number 4, end paddling and other forms of physical punishment in all schools.
5, incorporate remote access to social, emotional learning and support, counseling, and mental health services.
And number 6, ensure accountability and equitable funding through the Every Student Succeeds Act, ESSA, and IDEA.
If those demands move you, we invite you to move with us.
Visit our website to see what member organizations are doing near you and to see our national calendar of virtual events.
Follow us on social media and use hashtag Counselors Not Cops or hashtag DSCWOA 2020 to stay connected to what's happening in real time.